In today's fast-paced digital world, every business's heartbeat is its technology infrastructure. Hi, I'm Andrew Tyler, president of Tech Tyler MSP, your next-generation IT managed services provider. At Tech Tyler MSP, we understand reliable IT support isn't just an option for your business, it's a necessity. That's why we're dedicated to offering our top-tier IT solutions that keep your business ahead of the curve. Imagine having an IT partner who not only reacts swiftly to the issues, but also anticipates them before they impact your business. With Tech Tyler MSP, that's the reality of our service. Our exceptional customer service and rapid response times ensure that your IT needs are met with urgency and precision. Our team of experts is at the heart of what we do. Highly skilled and deeply committed, they are not just solving problems, they're empowering your growth. Whether it's cybersecurity, cloud services, or end-user support, we've got you covered. Choosing Tech Tyler MSP means investing in a partnership that values innovation, reliability, and above all, the success of your business. Our tailored IT solutions are designed to fit your unique needs, enabling you to focus on what you do best, running your business. I'm Andrew Tyler, inviting you to reach out. Discover how we can elevate your IT experience and drive your business forward.